So what's going on, everyone? Today we want to talk about Tesla, give you all a price prediction for this stock. We haven't done one in a while because the market in Tesla really hasn't been trading, but there's like a couple of things I wanted to show you that would insinuate that the price in Tesla is trying to go up. So welcome everyone to the channel. Hit the like, share, and subscribe. You guys are going to see on this particular channel, we don't confuse you. We simply look at the price bars and volume as a language, as people's thinking, their mentality of what they suspect price is going to do at any moment in time. That is what we do here. Okay, we're not trying to, place a lot of this technical analysis jargon, this fundamental analysis jargon. We pay attention to what people were doing, and these price bars and volume represents the collective mind of everybody who bought and or sold Tesla. That's it. So we can actually tell that the market here in Tesla is kind of stable right now. We're not seeing one side of the market, the buy side and the sell side. Neither one of them currently is dominating the price. When we talk about dominating price, we're talking about one side of the market trending. Okay. And at any moment, price trends down and then price also trends up. When price trends up, then that tells you that the buy side are the ones that's actually more motivated than the sellers. And when in the opposite, when price trends down, it tells that the sellers are more motivated than the buyers. You see, you can only have two factions in the market. That's it. And when you say a market consolidate or trade in a range, it simply tells that both sides are complacent. They're not, either one of them is not really trying to hurry up and get in or get out of their position. They're satisfied with what is going on in the market. And that's pretty much what Tesla has been doing. It's just pretty much been trading within a range of like $290 all the way up there to $360. So this is where the market is finding satisfaction overall. But you can tell that the market in Tesla has been doing something. It's been making higher lows, which overall tells us that this market is gaining momentum in favor of buyers. When you see something like that, that tells you that this market is being bought by the buyers. Every time price dips, buyers step in. They step in at higher prices to eliminate the prospect of price going down. Okay. So what we're going to do is, first of all, clean up this chart, get rid of this sell pocket here, this sell pocket, and then this sell pocket. Okay, so now what we can do, since we got rid of those sell pockets in Tesla, is we can actually go ahead and create some buy pockets now. So we're going to do that first. Okay. Now, these buy pockets will play a very important role in the event that sellers tries to push price down. You will want to see the market bounce off these pockets and continue this move to the upside. Now, we're here at this sell pocket in Tesla as well too. So we might see a slight increase of selling like right in this area here. So let's just place this here. We might get rid of it because there's another sell pocket a little bit higher that might be more important. Okay, so now let's look at this on the 2. Okay, so we did receive this sell signal right there in Tesla on the 2, and the market has gone higher once that was triggered. Let's look at this on the 3. Yeah, we're currently seeing the idea that sellers may be present, because on this current 3-day price bar in Tesla, we're seeing the market closing off of the highs. Okay, right there at that sell pocket. Look at Tesla on the 4. This 4-day price bar is printed, I think. Let's see. It's not. We still have, oh yeah, it's finished printing. So this is the final 4-day price bar right there. What do you guys think about it? I think it looks pretty healthy outside of price closing, a little bit off of the highs there. What about on the 5? Here is Tesla on the weekly. Here it is on the 2 weeks. This is very strong to see on the 2 weeks for Tesla. Even though in the short term, we might see price reject at that sell pocket and go lower. But this is how you can tell that price is being controlled and led or moved by the buyers first. You can see that these lows in the market in Tesla on the 2 weeks is doing what? Yep, it's trending up. All right, cool, got that. Next thing is that on these 2 weekly price bars, the market goes down 1 bar, goes up, closes down, next bar goes up, closes down, next bar goes up. This tells you that buyers are buying whoever is trying to sell their Tesla in the market. That is exactly what it means. So in the next 2 days and 9 hours, if the market in Tesla is closing up here at the high of the bar like it is now, then that tells us again, it gives a higher probability that the market is trying to go up. Okay, all of this is just a game of probability. And we're trying to see in which favor, which side has the higher probabilistic way of moving. Is it up or down? And right now, look at this on the 2 weeks. It looked like Tesla is primed for some higher levels. Here it is on the 3. Look at this on the 5, and then so far in the month of August. Here it is on the hourly chart. So right now on the hourly chart, you can actually see where the market buyers are. That's price action on the 11. We got some buying right there and a little bit of buying here for Tesla. Look at this on the 5. Okay, yeah, so buyers came through on this 5-hour bar. Here's Tesla on the 3. Here it is on the 1 hour. So yeah, you can really see this buyers on the 1 hour right here. Right here. And then down here. Okay. So yeah, price is there stepping its way up, which is good for the buyers. So yeah, right now we really don't see, even on the hourly chart, the market reflecting sellers trying to step in and move the market lower. We don't really see that yet. But it might happen once price hits that pocket of selling up there at the top. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for price in Tesla to go up. So back on the daily. Let's get rid of these pockets of buying. You guys can go back and play the video to see what those pockets of buying are on the hourly chart. But we're going to target the high of this sell pocket here, which will give us 4.64%, $356 there. We're going to target this next pocket, this middle pocket of selling, 7.41% for Tesla there. And then the third pocket of selling. Now, each of these pockets, price can hit at the high or the low of the pocket. That is just the vicinity of where we suspect the market is headed. Okay. So those will be our 3 targets, these 3 pockets. And we'll just see how strong the buyers are in the market in Tesla. I'm finished. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different. I'm going to go ahead and fix this pocket of buying right here. Make it a little bit bigger. All right, y'all. I'm done.